I am in the manufacturing career cluster. I chose that cluster because when I was little, I used to play a lot with electronics and take apart toys that used electricity.
I chose manufacturing because I've always been interested in being an engineer.
I chose this cluster mainly because manufacturing brings a lot of math in it, and I'm really good at math. I know it's something I'm good at, and it can help me with it, and I actually like robots and like all the science that goes into it also.
It's very important for a student to pursue in a career cluster because it's not just preparing. It's just not a class. It's a preparedness for a career and life.
It is important for a student to pursue a career cluster because it can show them what job they might want in the future.
The advice I would give you is be really patient. You have to have a lot of patience with yourself. Don't give up right away because it is hard at the beginning, but you need to keep on pushing yourself and just know that you got this.
The manufacturing career cluster is about programming robots and then making things on shape, and then we're gonna use it and let the robots pick everything up.
With the technology, we use computers to make stuff and design them so we can bring it out to life.
You're gonna use tools and technology to make things.
I am in the mechatronics program, and in there we learn safety and using electronics to make life better.
In this program, we learn about machines and robotics and how we can use them in the manufacturing world.
The types of careers we have are robot operator, robot manufacturing, and manufacturing technology.
Engineering, manufacturing, machinists, and many more.
A good skill to have in this cluster would be an interest in math because it's going to be a lot of math in this cluster.
So the number one advice I would give you is to have enough patience within you and to not give up and just trust in yourself.
If this is cool to you, I say you can do it. I believe in you. You got this.
I love this program because I'm learning so much on what I want to do in the future and how it will benefit me in the engineering world.
If you're interested in joining manufacturing, I would say go for it. It is going to challenge you, but it's going to be a good thing for you.